वेलकम एवरीवन। आपका यलहंका एयरबेस बेंगलुरु में हार्दिक हार्दिक स्वागत है। आज एरो इंडिया 2013 के 9वें एडिशन का पहला दिन है। The Aero India started way back in 1996. In this part of the world, today it is considered one of the most respected premier aerospace exhibitions. And we have today collected with us 675 companies from 29 different countries. Dassault Aviation is here today to celebrate 60 years of partnering with India. As you can see here, Dassault and India have a long common history starting in 1953 as India was the first international client for the Tufani aircraft, followed by the Mystère, Elise, Jaguar and the Mirage 2000. We're here today to showcase Rafale combat aircraft, and here it's all about presenting new technology, innovation, operational excellence, in one word, Rafale on-the-roll fighter.
Hello, Namaste, I'm Christophe, a former Rafale pilot. As you know, today the Rafale is at Bangalore Air Force Base for the solo display show and the static display just in front of the Hall B. Here is presented Rafale C, which is a single-seat aircraft version for the Air Force, loaded with the fuel capability plus, of course, air-to-air capability, Mika missile and quite soon Meteor missiles, plus the A2SM bombs, 6 of it, providing a very long range and off-board sight strike capability with only one pickle. You can strike 6 different targets at the same time. Here on the Dassault Aviation stall you can see the Rafale B version. It's a 2-seaters, pilot in the front and a wizzo in the back, loaded with this same air-to-air capability, Mika missile plus Meteor missile, 3 external tank and 2 cruise missile, giving you a very long range strike capability, giving a strategic response with a very precise and accurate strike. So here is the Navy version, a single-seat aircraft loaded with the same air-to-air capabilities plus the Exocet missiles, non-T-ship missile for maritime strike, with as well 2 other external tank, giving you a very accurate discrimination capability for maritime strike mission.
AB1, then speed up 250 knots. At 250 knots we climb for alpha loop at about 1600 feet. Then after speed up to 300 knots. At this moment the angle of attack is at about 20 degrees and speed 120 knots. Okay, so I perform a barrel roll for a touch and go with a high angle of attack. Then the gear is down, starting with my touch. Maximum speed is 200 knots and reduced to 100 knots with angle of attack about 25 degrees. I maintain the speed with the engine, and after this pass I perform a loop with the AD-on afterburner. And during the loop, it is a loop with a big angle of attack, about 20 to 25 degrees. I perform my high-speed pass at about 600 knots, more than 1000 km. Then after 2 barrel roll with IG, 10G more, one on the left and one on the right side, just to prepare my inverted flight. At this moment, the inverted flight is minus 3.2G. And speed reduced to 300 knots. So in this part, I try to show the difference of the high speed and the low speed and the maneuverability of the aircraft. This is a special landing from French Air Force. We perform a loop, and the top of the loop, gear is down, and full stop after the loop. The Rafale is the only aircraft which performs this type of landing. And after the landing, we stop the aircraft in about 300 meters.
to Yelahanka Air Base, Bengaluru. It's Aero India 2013, Day 2.
I am Vishwanath. I have retired from HAL as an additional general manager in the year 2011, and then I am a hardcore designer of mechanical systems. Okay, and Rafale is a good aircraft. In fact, Rafale coming to India will bring a lot of technologies. We are more interested in learning more and more technologies and develop on our own, stand on our own legs. So technology is very important. I think as a part of sharing this particular aircraft, a lot of technologies also should be shared.
तो आप रफाल का स्वागत करते हैं यहाँ?
Definitely.
My father was a fighter pilot. He retired as a fighter pilot, and he has been flying. He was commissioned in 1957, sorry, and he is among the few in those days. He's flown the Mystier. He's flown the Oregon, otherwise known as the Tufani. Yes. And although he was not operational on it, but he's flown the Mirage at one time, much later. But he's basically a MiG-21 pilot and retired. He loved the French aircraft. The quality that the French gave out is A-class. There is nothing to match. And most importantly, in the field of aviation deals, that are international deals that happen between aviation companies, that the French don't hide anything. Everything is upfront and reliable in terms of spare parts, etc. I saw the air display of the Rafale flying. The angle of attack during liftoff, during takeoff, was mind-blowing. That only two aircraft in the world can do this. One is the Rafale and one is the Sukhoi 30. But the Rafale is obviously a far better aircraft, and India is lucky to have it.
Before each flight, for a display flight, it consists of what? In fact, the flight happen during 10 minutes, and we have to perform very quick maneuvers. So for those maneuvers, we have to repeat in our mind 2 or 3 times what we're gonna do exactly in the same times. Thinking about the environment, about the hazard we have to meet, about the special weather. So we start with the departure, with the takeoff. Then in our mind, we repeat each second of the flight to be sure that we can manage all the flights in a safety way.
Hi, welcome to Yelahanka Air Base, Bengaluru. It's day 3 of Aero India 2013. There's a buzz in the crowds. Crowds are swarming all around us. Look at the static display of the Rafale behind me. The crowds are swarming. There's a buzz among the people. And there's a countdown for the Rafale air display, which is about to begin very shortly.
superb. It was awesome.
मुझे ना बहुत awesome था. पायलट जो थे बहुत awesome चला रहे थे. वो जो स्मोक निकल रहा था वो कैसे राउंड राउंड हो रहा था वो वाला था. मैं बता नहीं सकता कितना awesome था. थैंक यू.
आप इसको उड़ाना चाहोगे?
हाँ, मैं जब बड़ा हो जाऊंगा ना तब मैं ऐसे ही एक पायलट का एक एरोप्लेन ऐसे ही खरीदूंगा ताकि मैं उसे चला सकूं.
थैंक यू. Very good. Very
good.
Very
Awesome. Really
Mind-blowing.
that pilot. Very good. Really thrilling. Really meet that pilot and hug him. Oh my God.
We are showing other nations that we are more than them, strongest of everyone.
So would you give me a thumbs up for the plane?
Yeah.
Did you see the Rafale, sir?
Yes, madam.
Did you like it?
Very much. We are coming from Chennai to watch this. Thank you, madam.
Your name, sir?
Bhuminathan.
All right. Mr. Bhuminathan, could you give us a thumbs up for the Rafale?
Yeah, sure. Thank you. Thank you, madam.
Yeah.
Yes, it was really nice. We loved it.
Yeah. Loved it.
Did you all watch the Rafale air display right now?
Enjoyed it.
How was it?
Excellent.
Can you all look at the camera and say Rafale, thumbs up for Rafale?
Welcome to the descriptions of the French Rafale. This is the first multi-role aircraft of the last generation. From the beginning, we can start with the radar, with an laser radar. We can lock multiple targets and we can shoot 4 missiles at the same time with the Rafale. In the upper part, you got the FSO, the electronic that provides us camera on infrared capture of the targets without any waves, so we can be very still for using these sensors. We're using in the air-to-air as well in air-to-ground. In front of the air intake of the engine of the Rafale, we have 2 engines, M88 from Snecma, which allowed us 15 tons of thrust for the Rafale. Here you have the ECM stuff, can allow us to catch all the waves from the radar, from the straight radar, coming from the ground, or coming from the air. Here we get the guns, 30mm rounds with multiple rounds to shoot in air-to-air or in air-to-ground. Below the wings we can carry several weapons. First of all, air-to-air with the MICA, electromagnetic MICA. We can carry in air-to-ground the Scalp, the cruising missiles. We can carry as well bombs, GPU-12, GPU-22 or the A2SM, able to perform the shoot of the bombs by the GPS or by guided laser wave. We are at the tip of the wing where we can carry infrared missiles. We can carry for sure 2 in each part of the Rafale. At the base of the tail we can use actually some flares to deny some infrared missiles coming from the ground or from the air, the missiles. On the back here we have some shafts in order to jam the waves of the radar of the enemy radar. Now we are at the back of the Rafale. As you can see, the 2 Snecma engine who allowed us 15 tons of thrust, which is very comfortable if we have hot weather or if we are carrying a lot of weapons under the aircraft. So they allow us enough thrust to perform a lot of maneuverability during the fight against all the aircraft. And we can say that at this point we are happy to fly the Rafale, because in any dogfight we are a little more stronger than the Eurofighters. Even the F-22 Raptor, we can perform some gun shoots on them, so we are very happy with those engines.
What are the capabilities and speciality of Rafale? Because Rafale has been declared winner in a contest which was fought between 6 companies.
Yes, I know.
So tell me something about this aircraft.
This aircraft is not only a fighter aircraft. For a pilot, it's a dream, really a dream. Okay, because with this aircraft, you have the best safety in the world with a flight command system, and you can perform all the mission: air-to-air mission to protect your country, air-to-ground mission, recce mission necessary.
Please step in the cockpit. What are the main armaments and capabilities of Rafale?
Yeah. So the Rafale is a multi-role aircraft. For the capability, you are able to perform air-to-air mission with very good power of your engine, good maneuverability, 10G more if necessary for the dogfight, and a good weapon with air-to-air missile. Still, air-to-air mission, you can do also air-to-ground mission with a lot of mission different in the air-to-ground, laser-guided bomb or GPS bomb. Okay, and you can perform still also recce mission with a recce pod to have information, and after you have when you have good information, you have a good preparation of your mission.
And what is the maximum speed and maximum payload of this aircraft?
Maximum speed is 750 knots. That means about 1,200 kilometers, and it can exceed this speed in 2 minutes. That means after the takeoff, 2 minutes after takeoff, you are above 15,000 meters in the sky, and your speed is above 1,000 kilometers.
India has many advanced landing grounds in high altitude area in Himalayas, more than 6,000 feet. So what will be the performance of this particular aircraft Rafale in high altitude area and in short runways?
Yeah, with the Rafale you can climb very high with your recce pod or your air-to-air mission or your bomb. That means when you're high altitude, you are in safety, and you can protect you with your missile air-to-air. So it's very important now to be able to climb very high with your bomb, with your recce pod and your missile to be on safety.
Namaskara, Vanakkam, Bonjour. Welcome to day 4 at Aero India 2013. We're at the Yelahanka Air Base, Bengaluru, and there's a lot of excitement around us. People are asking a lot of questions about Rafale. I think the sweetest thing I saw yesterday was a 3-year-old boy, and straight after the air display of the Rafale, he came and told me, the first thing I do when I grow up is I'm going to be buying a Rafale plane. So we've got lots of excitement coming your way. Have a nice day. Namaskar. It's day 5 of Aero India 2013. We've enjoyed sharing every bit of the excitement the last 4 days right here with you at Yelahanka Air Base, Bengaluru. Today is Sunday. Today looks to be another great day. The crowds are already lining up. The crowds are pouring in to get an even better view of the jet. Have a great day.
Five, 4, 3, 2, 1.
What a show! What energy! What actions! Wow! It's been a pleasure sharing the buzz with you these 5 days right here from Yelahanka Air Base, Bengaluru. We've come to the closing of Aero India 2013 and we'd like to warmly thank you for joining and celebrating with Rafale International. Hope you have a great year ahead. आपकी जिंदगी में ये एनर्जी, ये खुशियाँ हमेशा बनी रहें. नमस्कार.